Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will present my business PowerPoint. So here I sell results of various flavors. 1. Risol mayonnaise. 2. Vegetable risol. 3. Meat risol. Business idea: selling food in the box with various flavor of choice: mayonnaise risol, meat risol, vegetable risol. Background: this business idea arose of the many people who selling this type of food in another city, while in the city there are few and far between, even though people are curious about the taste of this food is very high. If anyone is selling definitely in a big box, so the file is average to be above the average price of result in general. Target market: Churchill, school children use social media every day like more than snack. Marketing: create a conceptual social media with a great view, print flyers and post off given to people. Closing: from a business idea, the simple expects to provide experience about how to find business opportunity, how to work together in a team, and how to market a product. Thank you.